Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your laptop actually supports an always-on display mode. Some systems include AOD and firmware, others need third-party tools. Once done, make sure the battery is above 20% and plug into AC. This prevents interruptions during setup. Next, update your operating system and display drivers. Updated firmware fixes bugs and enables low-power display features. You'll save time and avoid failures if the prerequisites are addressed first. So begin here before diving into configuration. You now enable the feature. Open display settings or the dedicated AOD control panel and toggle Always on Display on. Then configure timeout, brightness, and what shows. Pick a minimal clock and disable high refresh animations to lower power use. If your OS lacks native AOD, install a reputable app and grant only the permissions it needs. Make sure the app is allowed to run in background and to show over lock screen. Once configured, test different brightness levels to balance visibility versus battery drain. You finish by testing AOD for at least 10 to 30 minutes, watching CPU, GPU, and battery behavior. This verifies the display won't overheat or drain unexpectedly. Make sure to enable low-power mode or adaptive brightness so the screen dims when appropriate. If things go wrong, restart the machine first, then recheck app permissions or the AOD toggle. If the issue persists, revert to a previous display driver or uninstall the app. One key tip: boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.